Uh, our group project is survey of bird distribution around to quantum building. Environmental characteristics of our study area. As we know, birds occupy different habitats depending on their behavior. Depending on that, we classify our study area in 7 parts. What are the criteria? The criteria are building structure and material, vegetation coverage, and structure as nesting such as tree and its canopy, water source, food availability, disturbance levels such as human activity, noise pollution, vehicle traffic, the satellite collision effect. Depending on that, we classify our study area such like based on Google Map, and here are 7 classification of our study area. Here you go. This is area 1, the next is area 2, and the next is area 3. Right? There are area 4 that are different vegetation coverage are available in area 4 and area 5 comparing to other areas. The other is area 6 and area 7.
好，我们开始首先就是用这个 eBird 的软体来做记录。我们首先就是透过第一次调查去确认我们的这个路径的，我们这路径走状况，然后再依此把它根据上一位讲的把它分成就是这7个不同的地方，这样好。然后我们进行了2天，总共6次的研究，分别是早上的8点到8点半，然后再是下午的5点半到4点，以及傍晚的这个5点到5点半左右的时间，这样。然后这是我们记录到有13个物种，就是可能有那个五色鸟、树雀、麻雀啊、白头翁、绿袖眼金背鸠、珠颈斑鸠、黑冠麻鹭、雀鸲、喜鹊、红嘴黑鹎、白尾八哥跟黑椋鸟。然后这是它的一个英文的俗名以及这个学名的对照，这样。好，然后这是我们有拍到这个物种，就是可能像金背鸠、黑冠麻鹭都有拍到，但像是这个红嘴黑鹎啊、绿袖眼，分别是因为他们两个是因为就是声音没有，就只听到声音，我们在的时候只听到声音，没有看到本体的时候，所以没有拍到照片。然后再是白尾八哥、珠颈斑鸠以及这2种的话，则是就是他们在拍的时候有点飞过去了，所以就是可能拍不到照。这样好，然后总共看我们的结论的话，我们可以看到就是像 A4 的地方是有最高的这个物种多样性，可以回去看到这个路径，可以看到 A4 的话，可能就是会就是一条长的，然后它的那个环境也比较偏自然化一点，因此它多样性会比较高。然后再的话，以这个 individual each species 的话，则是麻雀第1，然后金背鸠以及白头翁第2、第3。可以看到说这3个物种可能就是会很良好的去适应这个都市的环境以及校园的环境，这样。好，然后再是这个关系的话，就是可能像白尾八哥、黑椋鸟以及这个雀鸲，它们是属于外种，可能就是对一些不同种一些竞争的压力这样。然后像是白头翁的话，只是会去猎食一些，以及黑冠麻鹭也会去猎食麻雀与白头翁。好。
So the first bird species are the Miller's barbet. It is endemic to Taiwan. It has a bright green body, blue head, and also red and yellow face patches. It lives from lowland to mid-elevation forests, secondary growth, and also wooded parks. Its major food types are fruits and insects. It is a least concerned species by IUCN, but it is protected species in Taiwan. So we can improve its habitat by preserving dead trees, enhancing urban green space, and also establish forest corridor. We can also conserve it by public education campaign. Next, we have the tree sparrow. It is widespread across Eurasia, including Taiwan. It is small and white sparrow with a black beak. Its habitats are urban areas, farmlands, and also open woodlands. It feeds on seeds, grains, and also insects. It's a least concerned species. We can improve its habitat by installing nest boxes and also maintaining hedgerows and also promote organic farming. We can conserve it by urban planning integration, such as designing nest boxes for sparrows to lay their eggs. Next, we have the gray tree pine. It is endemic to Taiwan. It's a large, long-tailed jay with gray and black plumage. It lives in forests, secondary woodlands, and also foothills. It is an omnivorous bird. It feeds on fruits, insects, and also small animals. It's a least concerned species by IUCN, but it's a protected species in Taiwan. We can improve its habitat by protecting secondary forests and also reforest degraded lands and create urban green spaces. We can conserve it by engaging in community programs for conservation.
Okay, I'll introduce the next three species in the next time. Okay, first is black bulbul, and its distribution is widespread in lowlands and on offshore islands. Its habitat is on low elevation broadleaf forests and bamboo forests, agricultural areas, and park woodlands, and often near rivers in Taiwan. And its conservation is LC in IUCN, but common in Taiwan. Okay. And our habitat improvement for this bird, one is maintaining or increasing diversity in urban green spaces, diverse native plants. And two is providing clean water sources for this kind of bird. And three is reducing pesticide or herbicide using in parks and gardens. Okay, our next conservation measures is maintaining the continuity of mid to low elevation forests and the diversity of native fruiting plants. And our expected effectiveness of this conservation measure is high. Okay. Next is Malayan night heron, and its distribution is often found in low elevation broadleaf forests, bamboo forests, and agricultural areas near rivers at altitudes below 1,000 meters. And its nest is often in trees with low elevation forests and bamboo forests. Our conservation in IUCN is LC, and Taiwan is also LC too. Okay, our habitat improvement is protecting or creating moist, underground, and leaf litter. And two is maintaining or increasing secluded shrubbery and small wooded areas in parks. Three is ensuring clean water sources and healthy, undisturbed soil for this kind of birds. Okay, next conservation measures for this bird is establishing friendly observation and protection zones in known breeding or important foraging areas. Our expected effectiveness of these measures is medium to high.
Methods to conserve birds in NTU. As a student, we can maintain and expand native trees and shrub plantings. We can use campus landscaping projects to prioritize native species and also to avoid excessive pruning and to leave some dead woods and leaf litter for insects and bird habitat. Second, we can prevent bird-window collisions by installing bird-friendly windows, such as decals, films, or external shades to reduce fatal collisions. Lastly, we can adjust artificial nests on buildings and also public recreation sites. So this is our source photos. And then some of them are very hard to take. Yeah, and then this is our references. Thank you.